Is your business cloud first? Cloud technologies are nothing new. Office 365, Azure, and Amazon AWS have now been with us for over a decade. But we're still finding local businesses that have not adopted cloud technology. Here are 3 essential benefits to help you make the switch. Cost saving. By far, the most significant benefit in switching to the cloud is the reduced requirement for on-premise IT hardware and infrastructure in your office. Servers, tape backup devices, and power supplies all cost money. Switching to the cloud eliminates these ongoing and capital expenditure costs. Hybrid. In today's world, the agile worker needs to be able to work from home or in the office. Cloud seamlessly allows your workforce to be productive in any location securely and with access to business applications where the internet is available. Ready for growth. Because there's no physical hardware in a cloud-first environment, when additional IT resources and capacity are needed, your business can scale at the touch of a button without any lengthy, time-consuming upgrade projects. If you would like more information about adopting a cloud-first environment for your business, download our free guide below.